So overnight, we've got these showers that are coming with the onset of the wind. The first round has moved through. It's up around Port Huron. Another batch coming now through Lenawee, Monroe County. Washtenaw County starting to fill up again as well. This is the second and the last line for overnight tonight. There might be a few leftover showers tomorrow in the morning, but that won't be much. So a tenth or so of rain, that's not much around here, but the wind will get to be a bit much. 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow, all of us in the wind advisory, gusts to 45 miles an hour. That's most likely during the morning and into early afternoon. Then it will be tapering down, especially after 4 o'clock. Here's a look at some of those numbers now. 10 o'clock tonight, we're looking at gusts around 30 or so. A little bit stronger perhaps to the south. Tomorrow morning, gusts getting closer to 40 miles an hour. And as you watch this roll through the day, you'll see numbers keep going up. There's close to 50 perhaps in a few spots in Lenawee, Monroe County. Generally 40 to 45 with the higher gusts. And then here's 4 o'clock and you'll see it wind down beyond that rather quickly here. So again, morning to early afternoon when it's the strongest. Might be a little sunshine tomorrow. Look okay in the afternoon, but the wind will still be blowing. Here's Thursday at noon. Cold front that comes through tomorrow that hangs around. Moisture over the top of that into the cooler air. And so we'll go with a rain and sleet mixture to get things started Thursday afternoon, and then tending toward a snow and sleet and rain mixture as we go into the evening hours. Best chance for accumulation, tip of the thumb, Saginaw Valley. That could be 2 to 4 from Thursday evening, Thursday night. Our accumulation around here would be I-69 and north. Maybe a little bit there again Thursday evening, Thursday night, but it looks like in the metro Detroit area we won't have anything stick. 49 still. Look at the flow from the south with the warmth coming in here. Temperatures won't change much tonight. A little bit of rain as we go along and the winds start to pick up. As we go to tomorrow, you got that old advisory coming through with a lot of wind, but 57 is very warm. It's chillier Friday, then it's dry and comfortable for the weekend.